I always say, you will not even know that your choice of a spouse shapes your future until you get married, in a lot of cases. Your choice of a spouse actually determines a lot of your future. So choose well. And if you don't know how to, don't choose with your hormones. I promise you. That's what people do. They just choose with their hormones. It's a fact. It might have sounded a bit, direct, but it's a fact. People choose with their emotions sometimes. But wait, go back to the hadith, go back to the Prophet, peace be upon him. And I've always said the two most powerful organs, the heart and the mind, don't ever give anyone the control of those two, because they will hurt you. They will hurt you. You give that to Allah and you give it to anyone after that within what Allah has ordained. But we've seen thousands of people get abused and used because they've given their heart and their mind in someone else's hand. That's it.